So good morning to everyone, all of my friends, my seniors, my respected seniors, and all of the guests. Greetings to all of you. And so first of all, I will tell you my introduce. My name is Kunal, and I am reading class 8. My school name is Kumar Academy in Agartala, Bengaluru. And also, I am here and today I got this opportunity to speak something in front of you all. And also, it is a very big opportunity to me because our local education opening a branch in Udaipur, and it is very important and it is very big thing for us because I am also one of the students in local education, and also our sir do lot of hard work to stand up our local education. And nowadays we have lots of students, and also nowadays in Udaipur we are opening a branch. So it is a very big thing for us. So today I am gonna talk about some English language, and I will give you some speech and some advice to all of you that everyone should listen what I try to say, and also what I try to say to everyone that it is very important thing for everyone who want to learn the English language. So guys, I will start my speaking. So we all know that importance of English speaking. We all know that English speaking, when we listen and when we hear the English language, we are just thinking that what English language is very tough thing, and we cannot speak a line of the English language, a line of the thing in English. We cannot speak, we cannot say, but it is not. Without English language, we are nothing in that movement, in that generation. Without English language, we are nothing in that generation. Like English language is very needable language. Without English language, you all are the failure. I think, and our education system also think. Without English language, we are nothing. So that is that. In that moment, I am going to talk about the English language, some kinds of English language, the importance of English language. Like everybody, we are just thinking that reading and writing, whenever we read and whenever after we complete our graduation, we all are thinking that after we complete our graduation, in that moment, we are easily got job. But it is not impossible. So it is not possible that after you graduated that you definitely got job. You did not take this guarantee, because we also just think and we also sing. I also sing that many people are complete their graduation, and in that moment what they do in that movement, and some kind of people just drive the auto, they take passenger and go here and there, they drive bus and they drive car in that moment after the graduation. So what is the thing? And like before their hard work, they decide that after I doing this all of the hard work, then I drive auto. This mentality is this, like not, obviously not. They also have lots of dreams. Like after I complete my graduation, I got job, and after I got job, I can buy a home, I can buy a car, I buy a bike, I buy a scooty, and I have a very happy family. But then after he complete the graduation, he just find the result, and he just saw the result there. The result is he did not got job. So in that time, he was very emotional. So that's thing that if he know some kind of knowledge, some education, some kind of English language, so in that moment also, he also opened like a vocational education branch and other branch to learning branch. So in that time also, if he had this idea, so also in that moment he did not drive the auto. He just like what? He just opened education center, and then after he opened the education center, then after some few time, after some few years, so also he can he just improve and he just stand his branch. He can easily stand up his branch, and then after he stand up his branch, he have a lots of students, and money will automatically came. Then if he know the English language, because English language is very needable language in that time. Whenever we are the people, we are all of the people have lots of work. Some kind of work we should go to the country, and in that time another city, they do not understand our mother tongue. but we know what they say, and we know that their mother tongue is English. We know, but they did not know our mother tongue. So in that movement, how we face the problem and how we face the condition of the thing. Because if we did not explain our feeling, if we did not explain our thought, so how we can just need something, and how we express our thought in other people if we know the English language. Because whenever we go in another country, we need the English language to survive in another country. English language is very needable language, and now I will tell you that how you learn the English language, some kind of technique I will give you, and I want to give you some kind of technique. So the technique is that the story. Story is the one of the most important way, that easiest way that you have to read the story, and you have to know the easiest way. Because storytelling is the one of the most important thing, the easiest way to learn the English language. Whenever we just listen, and whenever we listen the English language, we are thinking that English is very tough. How it is possible to remember a story, and how it is possible to speak something in front of someone. And whenever the number of things is that whenever we take a mic in our hand, we feel the hesitation, and we feel afraid that in that moment, if we do some kind of mistake, then the audience will laugh at us, and in that moment our prestige will puncture. So the audience will laugh at us that if we just do some kind of mistake. So in that happen is very dangerous thing, that in that movement you have to know the English language, and you have to know some kind of idea. So the idea is the story. Just you have to need two highlighters, that without these highlighters you cannot remember a story. Because a story is very big story, like 3 pages, 10 pages also a story. So how you remember a story very easy? By the two highlighters, the yellow highlighter and also a pink highlighter. So what is the uses of the yellow highlighter and the pink highlighter? A story is very big. Just take a particular one page, and just write down, just highlight the yellow highlighter in what sentence you know. And then after you knowing after you highlight all of the sentence, and just the second thing is just highlight the red highlighter. What is the use? The red highlighter. You just highlight all of the sentences. What sentence you did not know, you highlight the red highlighter. So that's why just you can easily copy a story, and also you also can find out the mistake, and what place and what sentence you do mistake. And what in that generation, the internet is very famous. Everyone has a mobile, and also everyone have a mobile. So in that moment, you just search in the Google that what is the meaning of the word, what's the meaning of the sentence. Also, Google will show you all of the meaning, all of the thing. So it is a very big thing for everyone, and also try to understand what I say. Now I will tell you a short story. This story is very important example like that. The story's name is The Magic Window. I also read this story, and I feel I just like this story very much. What happened? There was a boy. What happened? Like there was a boy. He was very ill, and he always saw from his window his friend and all of the friends just play cricket, play badminton, play football in the garden, in their ground. So he thought that if my health was good, so I also just play like with my friends. And then his mother and his family member did not allow anybody to come him near. So that is the thing, and also he just all of the time he spent time with his bed. All of the time, and all of the time he just sleep in his bed. He didn't move his hand. He didn't move his full body. All of the time he just spent his time with his bed. And then one day what happened? One day while he slept in his bed, he suddenly saw from his window, and then he saw like a penguin eat the sandwich with sauces. It is possible that a penguin eat the sandwich with sauces, and the penguin was laughed at, and penguin was said the boy like good morning, and also all of the things the penguin saw. And then after some few time, the boy saw a monkey came, and monkey eat the banana. And then after some few time, he saw a very strange thing. The strange thing is that the elephant jumped in the what is called the jumping what is it called? that like a jumping, he just jumping, and then it is possible that elephant jump in the trampoline. It is possible. Elephant jumped in the trampoline. It is possible because when the elephant jumped in the trampoline was broken, and the just elephant just fall down. And so it is not possible the elephant jumped in the trampoline. So it is really the strange thing he saw, and then all of the thing when he saw, he just laughed and laughed. All of the time he just laughed, and after the laughing, and then after he feel some better. He feel better, and then the next day when he was properly recovered, when he was properly, his health was well. So he go to school and say all of the thing with his friend and share all of the thing with his friend. And then suddenly he saw with his friend back, just some kind of thing just moving, and some kind of thing is hanging with his friend back. And then he saw, he said to his friend that what is this? And then his friend told all of the thing. And the strange thing is this, that all of the thing, the penguin, elephant, all of the things, they just do, they all of the thing just all the thing do with the boy's friend to recover, to saw his friend help. So just think the story is in the moral is that one bad book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. So if you have any good friend, so also remember one thing, that if you have any good friend, the good friend always just want to you, just you will be success. He always want, and he always help you to do anything in your future. Or if you have any friends, so you are very good luck. You are very like a good luck boy. So now I will tell you some courses, and very important courses for everyone, because the courses will very like the courses will motivate you. So the courses is, we are people. People have a lots of problems, lots of things, lots of problems. So that the courses is, problem is not a permanent, but life is permanent. So face the problem with confidence and enjoy your own life. The second course is, no matter how many times we fall down, it is matter that how many times you get better. And the third course is also very important course, and if you understand the courses, so you will find out how many types of people are there. Then the course is great mind discuss ideas, average mind discuss event, and small mind discuss people. Thank you to all.
Very good, Kunal.